Hey guys, so I want to talk to you about more about the Walmart Creator Program, also about the following trends that are currently happening. Okay, so I want to first of all talk about the growth of content creators. It is estimated that right now the content creator economy is worth a staggering $100 billion. When I say $100 billion, I'm talking about with a B. Now, the estimated projected growth for content creation is expected to grow about to $500 billion. That's a trillion with a capital T. Okay, so $500 billion. So that's roughly $500 billion. That is crazy. You know what? It's just blowing my mind. And you know what? Because of the internet and stuff like that, I'm a millennial. The internet has changed so much in the past 30 years, okay? And for people who are hesitant on, becoming a Walmart creator or not understanding the massive impact that content creation has become, you must be sleeping under a rock. Because honestly, there are so many stores such as Big Lots, Macy's, 7-Eleven, what else? Party City that are closing. And you know what? In my mind, I'm like, why the hell are you guys even closing? Have you guys been sleeping underneath a rock too? Apparently Walmart gets it. Okay. So with these stores closing and stuff like that, it really saddens me. Some of the stores, give back, little childhood memories and stuff like that. But it's like they have no reason to close if they were to take upon themselves and learn how their customers operate. We are in 2025. People are shopping more online, okay? And the old way of marketing is dead. Okay, it's slowly dying out. A lot of people are not tuning into the television anymore. Not like that. We are scrolling on our phones. We are looking on social media. We are scrolling or on our laptops. Or if we are using our TV, it's not for cable channels. I'm sorry to tell you guys this, for any corporations or any marketing people who are working with these companies that are dying out. You know what? You guys are doing it all wrong. You guys are. I'm sorry to tell you. Okay, so the old marketing, with doing the ads on the television, maybe the ads with the newspaper, or even with certain billboards. I'm sorry, it's slowing down, and you need to get with the program. Okay, so the new way is more of doing stuff online, and one of the things that I do appreciate with online is that, with things like TikTok, TikTok just got reinstated. So people are like scrolling and buying stuff off of TikTok, and, platforms like TikTok or Facebook or Instagram or any of the other social media, you see certain companies such as Walmart get already on the platform, also have creators such as myself and others, and be able to put a real life perspective and real life opinions about how certain products are, okay? So there should be really no reason why these stores are closing, and it's really frustrating. If I could talk with the marketing personnel or maybe a CEO, I would gladly tell you what you need to do, okay? All right, so here's the top reasons to be a Walmart creator, okay? So one, you can grow your following, okay? So literally I started out a few months ago, taking the Walmart Creator Program a lot seriously. I literally started from a very no followers at all, and I've been slowly building my followers. I went from 0. Right now I'm at 130 subscribers on YouTube. But you know what? Even though I'm at a small amount, I do appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. I do appreciate you guys. All right, so you can grow your following. Okay, so for that's one. And then people like to shop. I'm gonna be honest, people like to shop, whether they're on their lunch break or whether they're, with their kids, or maybe there's an event coming up. People like to shop, all right? And then on top of that, with those people that like to shop, it's gonna make it a lot easier for you to gain more followers and also to get a little more extra cash. Now, if you don't see the cash rolling in right away, it's okay, because remember that 14-day referral or cookie window that Walmart has. It's going to take some time for everything to come together. So even if you don't see as many views on your video, do not get discouraged, okay, from my Walmart creators that are out there who are already in the program. If you're not in the program, please make sure you click on the, click the link below, okay, in the description or in the comments, and you'll get my free Walmart guide. All right, so also your earning potential. Okay, so we have creators like Katie Vine, and I'll be, reviewing some of her videos as well too. She is doing phenomenal on the YouTube streets with the Walmart platform, as well as other platforms such as, Target, whatever affiliates that she is promoting. She's doing a phenomenal job, okay? And so I don't know how long she's been doing it. I have to do my little research on that, but you'll find on the next video. But she's been doing it for such a long time that, videos that she did years ago, I'm telling you guys, years ago, she still is going to get that commission. And thank God for YouTube, because YouTube has been around such a long time, just like Walmart, okay? And the thing is with YouTube and Walmart, and here are the two commonalities with these two, they are moving with the times, okay? You have to move with the times. You cannot be behind, okay? This is not 2000, it's not the year 2000. This is not the new millennium. This is 2025. Okay, we are in further on in the future, okay, which is now the present. Yeah. Okay, so another thing too, another top reason to be, a Walmart creator is the brand recognition. Okay, everybody knows what Walmart is. They know the quality products, the low products that Walmart has. Okay, so as well as they know that they're not going to get scammed with Walmart coming into the store, okay? And then Walmart has a great return policy, but a lot of people, come on, y'all don't return a lot of stuff at Walmart. Typically, when you guys buy stuff, you usually keep it. But yeah, just that brand recognition, people are familiar with Walmart, so it's gonna be a lot easier to actually sell to your customers. All right, so here is one of the other reasons too I want to touch on. Why is it that Walmart will outlast its competitors? One of the reasons, okay, low prices. Hear that? Okay, for companies who are not thriving anymore. Macy's, I'm calling you out. Party City, I'm definitely calling you out. Big Lots, listen here. Low prices. No one is going to buy a $3,000 item or overpriced $80 shirt if they don't see the value in it. Okay, as well as how the economy is. Until our pockets get back to normal, you're gonna have to come down on some of the prices. Also, the bulk discounts. Okay, so bulk discounts and low prices, they go hand in hand. Okay, so depends on where you're sourcing your products from. You have to make sure you get those bulk discounts so that way it transfers into the pockets of your customers. Okay, so we have a successful integration of online shopping and physical stores. This is huge. This is what separates Walmart from a lot of other stores that are closing. Okay, hear me out. Integration, online integration, combination with the physical store. Put those two together, you get a really good combination of success and longevity. So it doesn't matter how many stores Walmart has opened up, as long as they have the online platform, as long as they have those Walmart creators, as long as they have people that are behind the brand, okay, backing them up, they're going to outlast anybody, okay? All right, so I just want to put that clear because I don't think there's a big enough emphasis put on that, okay? All right, and also for people who have not already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, one other thing too, I want to talk about like ways to promote as a Walmart creator. So like you can do either faceless promotion. So where, say for example, in my last video, I was literally like at Walmart stores showing all the products and stuff like that, what I was shopping for, what I was looking for, the details, why I like the product and stuff like that. Or you can do something like non-faceless, like how I'm doing right now, how I'm talking into the camera. You see me, you hear me and stuff like that. You're kind of gauging my personality and my facial expressions. You can do that. Now, if you are interested, okay, and like, learning more about how to do this and stuff like that, I will possibly put more videos out there, but yeah, you can do either or. I do understand that there's some people that are shy, okay? And you know what, it is what it is and it's okay. And I want to know, what are your thoughts about stores that are closing, okay? And what stores you think that are next? And honestly, I think that's about it. Like, it's just really crazy to me that there are stores that are really closing this day and age, especially popular stores that were popular. Party City, I'm just like, are you serious? I just didn't understand that. But either way it goes, thank you for tuning in to my channel. I am Treasure Takara. Peace, love, and happiness. Deuces. Steph Curry, quick 3 points, gonna scurry.